I'm showing you how to make polymer clay rice paper roll earrings. Made a magnet for my friend and earrings for myself. How cute. For this project you'll need translucent polymer clay, pre-baked white, orange, green and white polymer clay. That's for the ingredients to the inside of the clay. Roll out your translucent clay and cut in circles. This is how thin it looks. Nice and thin. Remember, once you bake your polymer clay, it will go see-through because it's translucent clay. Add your filling. Then you're going to roll and push in the sides. Depending on your polymer clay, I'm baking mine at 150 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're going to roll, and there you go. Simple as, guys. Now time to bake. Right out of the oven, and there they are. Hope you loved the video. Cheers, guys.